Hi, I'm Tara Walrod, and this is my Module 1. I began at Kansas State University and got a bachelor's degree in math and education and my master's degree in school counseling. I was a high school math teacher at Oak Park High School in North Kansas City School District, then became an elementary school counselor in the Blue Valley School District. I received my national board certification in 2013, and I'm currently working on my leadership certification through Fort Hays State University. I've had a lot of opportunities throughout the years to be a leader at my school, to be a leader in our district, and also to be a leader in the state. I work on our school leadership team, along with several different opportunities I've had within the school to be a team leader for the 504s, for the crisis team, for problem solving, those different types of things. And then I've also got to be a leader in the district. I am the lead school counselor for the elementary counselors, and I'm also a mentor for new counselors. I'm on the flight team. And then for the state level, I currently serve as the vice president for elementary school counselors for the Kansas School Counselor Association. As far as the demographics for my school, I work in a large district in Overland Park, Kansas. My school has about 410 students. We have a diverse school population with both an ESOL program and an autism center-based program. We're only about 5% free and reduced, and I am the only school counselor, and there's only one administrator at my building. When I was critically reflecting on the impact and implications of innovation and technology on student achievement and classroom instruction, I was really thinking how innovation isn't just important for our world, but it's really important in education. It can actually benefit them even more because not only through instruction, but also teaching our kids to be innovators themselves. We do lots of passion project-based learning, genius hours, different things where our kids get to be innovative in their thinking. And so not only are innovative instruction important, but also allowing our kids to be innovative can all have a big impact on our future. I was also thinking about how most schools are really facing a lot of challenges today with funding, unmotivated students, obsolete curriculums in the world of Alexa and Siri. So innovation and new methods of technology really offer a lot of solutions for some of those challenges. For example, having our textbooks now online is a much cheaper way than what we used to do, is making sure every kid had a book. And also I think we are also using it to motivate our kids, because kids are very motivated by technology. As far as my current knowledge base, we have one-on-one iPads at my school. We have computer labs available as well. We also have all types of apps for core curriculum, but we also have apps for presentation skills, where students are presenting using iMovie. We also use QR codes to motivate students. I recently been using an app called Post-it Plus when I am trying to work with different groups so that we can all work on our iPads to look at things in different ways. We use social media. Our school district does use Canvas, and this can be very helpful not only for tutorials, messages, and gradebook, but it's also really cool that, like, for example, I'm on an innovative group, chat group, where we can post different ideas of things we can do for kids that are innovative in our classrooms. We use Google, we use Skype, FaceTime, and all different types of assistive technology due to our high population of students with special needs. But when I really critically reflect on innovative technology, I was also thinking, how are those technologies used? Which would include, we use STEM from kindergarten all the way up. As I mentioned, project-based learning, passion projects, genius hours. We are really getting into blended learning. But probably the role as a counselor that I play the most is in future-ready students when it comes to leadership skills, critical thinking, creative thinking skills, using grit, resiliency, those types of things, ability to work on a team, technology, safety skills, SEL skills, and then most recently attended something where I learned a little more about interest and aptitude exploration when it comes to passion projects and career exploration. So the last thing was my plan that I proposed to help improve or enhance current practices. Well, this class is one way, but then also I want to spend some time discussing, reflecting, watching different things about innovation and technology in the classroom. I plan to ask a lot of questions and do a lot of research, including research with blogs, books, and different ways of helping students achieve through innovation and technology. I would like to spend more time with other instructors who utilize a lot of technology, and then I also plan to attend some innovative district opportunities this summer on utilizing these different types of innovation and technology in the classroom. So thanks so much.